Hey, this is we're gonna do an unboxing of the new PlayStation VR system and compare it with the old VR, I guess VR1 now, but this is actually the 1.1. I hear a lot of people talking about how messy the cords are, but it has an audio jack on it, only a single cord, all the way to the end where it has two plugs at the end. So this is the second generation of the VR1. So it's a lot less messy than what you see a lot of people on the internet talking about. And I've used this thing a lot. It is really an amazing VR system. It's one of the better systems out there, but it's just last, And now we're gonna sit aside and unbox the new PSVR. A box within a box. And there it is. We have a box here with Horizon Call of the Mountain code and cable for plugging in, earbuds, and a book that we'll never read. There it is. VR2. The scope. It's smaller all the way around, a little bit smaller. Headband's virtually the same. It's a little bit deeper. Goes down a little bit further than the other one. Virtually the same weight. And the most important thing is the controllers. Finally get some inside out tracking and away from the move controller. It actually fits very well with my large hands. Actually a little bit of room left. Not much, but a little bit. You could have a little bit bigger hand than me, but not much, and it'd be tight. Just like a finger's width underneath. One thing I was concerned about is how much room would there be? You can see my thumb hits the top of this. Grip button here on the side. And the right controller even comes with a strap already hooked into it. Put your hand through the strap. Very comfortable controllers. Quite the improvement over the original. And we also got the charging station. I think it's probably a must-have item. From what I understand, about 4 hours is your time on it before it needs to recharge the controllers. And I got the charging station for the regular PS5 controller, and it's very nice because the controllers are always charged, always docked, and ready to use. So I decided I need to go ahead and get it for this too, because it's a lot better than plugging the cord in continuously. Oh, pretty heavy. I have to figure out how to go in there. Your charger and your cord. The booklet.
All right, that pretty much wraps it up for the unboxing. We'll leave a review on what we think of it later.